Hey guys, Mr. Landis here. I figured since I was going to have you do a confession camera, I'd do one too, just to introduce myself if you didn't have me. Um, but this is something that I wanted to introduce into the course, where I've come from first semester is been working on some graduate work on getting an endorsement in online education and creating environments that make learning more collaborative and creative. And I just felt like this course, since this is one of the only online courses I teach, would be a good starting point. So I hope to bring you guys along for the journey. Some of the things that you're going to be doing in this course will be new. You're going to be using a lot of technology with your iPads. So hopefully that is something that will allow you to become more engaged with what we're doing. So this is my 13th year here at Manheim Township, 8th year at the high school. So again, I've been phys ed teacher at all levels. Elementary school, I might have had some of you in elementary school. I started at the middle school for a little bit, and now, like I said, I've been at the high school. Um, so I kind of wanted to go through some of the prompts that I have you reflecting on so that I can give you a good example of what I'm looking for. So what I've learned through these courses is that learning is a lot more fun when you have some say in what you can do. And I'm not necessarily directing you exactly what to do. So you're going to see in a lot of these discussion boards and a lot of these projects that I have you doing, I've changed from the first marking period to this one by opening up the doors and allowing you really to find what motivates you and explain that using more than just writing prompts by creating prezis or creating video tutorials like this or creating web pages. There's so many different ways for you to express what you've learned other than just writing papers. So I really want to bring that out in this course. So I redesigned it. We'll be using Schoology, which is new other than the old Moodle course. So you might have some people in other sections, other teachers that are still using another learning management system. We will be using Schoology and really incorporating. You guys are kind of like my guinea pig class to see what works and what's not. So I'm going to be picking your brains to see how to make it better and what works and maybe what didn't work and what you liked the best moving forward. So this is one of the reasons why I like teaching online is because it kind of, like I said, gets you outside of the traditional school PE course setting and allows you to pick and choose the activities that you like to do. You can incorporate your lacrosse practice, your soccer practice, your swim practice, your dance classes, or whatever activity you're doing, and then incorporate it into lifelong learning and fitness. As for my philosophy of fitness, it's really changed throughout my life. From when I was your age, everything was team sports. I did basketball, I did football, and then it wasn't until maybe my sophomore, junior, senior season or years that I got into weightlifting in the spring and summer, pretty much all year round, and that was an individual activity that I got into. So my philosophy really came from uh, team sports and how they impacted me to once those opportunities were gone in college, I played football, but once those activities were gone, I really had to take it upon myself and change my philosophy and start to become self-motivated because as you get older, the weight starts to get packed on. You start to lose a lot of the opportunities that were given to you in high school or college. So I had to start doing things like running and swimming and joining fitness clubs, joining rec leagues at the Y or through various places that offered, adult basketball leagues, flag football leagues, things like that. So my philosophy has really changed to now, as I gotten older, more lifelong activities: golf, fishing, hiking with my kids and with my family. So you're going to see that, as you progress through life, you're going to get away from a lot of the team activities to a lot of more of the individual lifelong activities. And no longer can I do some of the things I did when I was younger because of the wear and tear in your body. So those things have changed. Again, I just want to use this as an example, kind of tell you a little bit about myself, and give you an example of this online confession. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing some of your responses.